This is what my motor sounds like. Kind of moves back and forth, so I'm not quite sure if it's the hole's made out a little bit too big, or there's where it comes to a dog bone and the motor meat, there's a rubber grommet. I mean, I'm telling you, this puppy's tight, but it is shaking back and forth, left and right. And that's, I'm on a slow crawl. It doesn't make a difference if it's just locked down or not locked down. That's locked down. It does the same thing. Left, left, right, left, right. And the faster you go, of course, the more it wiggles.